To read and write English, follow these steps. Reading. 1. Learn the alphabet. Recognize and remember the 26 letters. 2. Practice phonics. Understand how letters combine to form sounds and words. 3. Start with simple texts. Begin with basic readers, children's books, or short stories. Increase difficulty. Gradually move to more complex texts, such as novels, articles, and essays. 5. Improve vocabulary. Learn new words and their meanings. 6. Read regularly. Set aside time each day to read and practice. Writing. 1. Learn correct spelling. Practice writing words correctly. 2. Understand grammar rules. Learn verb tenses, sentence structure, and punctuation. 3. Start with simple sentences. Begin with basic sentences and gradually move to more complex ones. 4. Practice writing paragraphs. Combine sentences to form cohesive paragraphs. 5. Write regularly. Set aside time each day to write and practice. 6. Seek feedback. Ask a teacher, tutor, or friend to review your writing and provide feedback. Additional tips? Listen to English media. Watch TV shows, movies, and listen to podcasts to improve your listening skills. Speak English. Practice speaking with native speakers, friends, or family members. Use online resources. Take advantage of websites, apps, and videos that offer English lessons and exercises. Be patient. Learning to read and write English takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if you encounter difficulties. Some popular online resources for learning to read and write English include Duolingo, English Central, BBC Learning English, Grammarly, Khan Academy, Coursera. Remember, consistent practice and exposure to the language are key to improving your reading and writing skills in English.